Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. As you can see by the thumbnail and of course the title, this is a little itty bitty Sephora haul. I already took everything out of the box. This is a little short and sweet haul. I am on a no buy, or I'm just gonna say I'm on a very low buy. I am on a no buy, but this is my birthday month. March 5th is my birthday, so I wanted to go ahead and redeem and get my birthday gift, so I placed a small order. So I'll quickly run through what I got, and then coming very soon, y'all, I know I'm so behind on content, I do apologize, but very, very soon I'm going to do a full face. We're going to try everything, we're going to test everything, and the whole shebang. But they had some really good deals, and most of this, I think everything here was like 50% off at least. So I would definitely link Sephora and stuff like that for you guys if you wanted to also go and shop. So my birthday gift, I opted for the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It has a lipstick and then a sample of the Magic Cream. I love her lipsticks and I love the setting spray, so I thought this was super cool. And if I didn't want to keep it for myself, that would be a great to pop into like a giveaway or a gift or something like that. Next up, I wanted this since it released, but they're expensive. So when I saw that it was on sale, I wanted to get it. It's the Melt Cosmetics Digital Dust Highlighter, and it's The Nightmare Before Christmas. If you know, you know. Longtime fan, one of my all-time favorite movies, so I had to have it. And the packaging is so pretty. I've said this before, like Melt Cosmetics, their packaging is always stellar. I think it's so beautiful. It's always very heavy and very well made. And this is like a pink to a goldy shift. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see that. I'll swatch it for y'all too. I feel like it's a little dark for me right now. I do get very, very tan in the summertime. I don't know that I'm really going to get a lot of use out of this, but that's okay. I kind of got it as like a keepsake, because how often am I going to wear a pink to like goldy orangey type highlighter? I'm going to tap some. I don't have any actual makeup on my like complexion other than a little bit of foundation. And I was just testing out a couple of products that I received from Smashbox. I got a freaking PR package, y'all. I'm still freaking out over that. Okay, that is prettier than I anticipated and not quite as pinky on the skin, but it's a little glittery for me. So that's probably going to be a little keepsake item. But I still wanted to get it. Like I said, I've wanted it since they released this. I want the makeup bag that they launched so badly, and by the time I went to get it, it was sold out. It was only $35, and I was like, hey, I'll go to Mercari. I'll go to Poshmark. I'll pay 50 or 60 bucks for one. People want $100 for them. Y'all are mean. Anyways, I digress. Next up, this was also on sale, and I'm a huge fan of Fenty and Fenty skincare products. This is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Broad Spectrum Sunscreen hand cream. Oh my word. Say that 3 times fast. It's a hand cream with SPF. And their overnight like rescue balm hand like mask thing, I've panned that completely and I loved it. I love so much from her. In fact, I'm trying this right now. If you aren't familiar, we've had some like home renovation type stuff going on, so I've not really been doing a whole lot of self-care. It is a super pastel pale pink. And it is very thick. It smells, I feel like it kind of smells like the other hand cream that I have. Oh, the texture of that is lovely. I feel like it went right into the skin. I do have very dry skin though, but it absorbed right in. Oh, I love it. Why did I take that whole thing off? you don't have to, guys. Anyways, it was on sale, so I was excited to test this out. Super excited to have that. Then I opted to try some newbies from Makeup Forever. This is not super new, but this is very new. This is the Makeup Forever, the HD Skin in the Hydra Glow. And hopefully I don't kick myself in the ass, because I did get my lighter version of this shade, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to use it. But oddly enough, I have on the counterpart to this, already today. So I already know and love the regular one. This is the shade 1N14 or Y245, and I got the same shade in this. I like to opt for the minis, especially with more high-end products, because I don't want to spend a lot of money and not like the product, whereas this, you know, they're cheaper. So this is what I have on today, the exact same thing, but not in the Glow formula. I actually want to open this up and just visually see, do they look like the same shade? Not really. And it could be the type of glass. I mean, they're not super off. This is the newer one. This is the one that I already had. So they've switched up the packaging just a little bit. I actually prefer this one. It's like a soft matte. This one's kind of like shiny, if you will. So I will be testing this out. I'm gonna take both with me actually on my vacation for my birthday. And then I'm gonna come back with like a full review of this, because if I like this one already, I think I'm really gonna like this one. So I opted for that. And then because it's going into, you know, warmer months and stuff like that, I've wanted to try this powder. Yes, I have dry skin, but I've heard that if you take a less is more approach, if you prep well, you can get away with using it. Y'all let me know. I may return this. But it is the HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation. And I got the shade, where the hell is the shade at? 2Y20? I don't know if that's gonna work. But I figured whatever, you know, foundation I use, I can use this as more coverage and to set everything in place, or I can opt to just use this. That is, yes, shade 2Y20. And this I did opt to go a little bit deeper to hopefully get me a little bit through springtime. Packaging is nice. Oh, I think that's gonna be so pretty. Obviously, it's not my shade right now. I know that, don't come for me. But in the spring and summer months, I think I'm gonna love this. And it says you can apply with a brush, and then there are 2 different sides to the puff. So if you do have experience with it, please let me know. I do wanna feel it. That feels incredibly soft. Oh, and then also I thought, like, hey, if this ends up getting a little too light, which it will, I go up like 5 shades in the summertime, then this can maybe even deepen it up just a little bit. So excited about that. If you've tested any of this, please let me know. Next up, something else I wanted to try, but again, I didn't want to pay full price, is the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF of 30, the moisturizing skin tint with watermelon and apple and hyaluronic acid. I got the shade Light Beige. Again, I didn't have very many foundations that I can use right now. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be obviously using it. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. That is like water. Ooh. That is very watery. I mean, I know it's a tint, but whoa. I just want to drop some on my skin just to kind of see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, I thought it was like a little pump. My bad, y'all. I don't normally do this, but I am gonna just see what it does. Okay, not quite as liquidy on the face. I mean, it is like water in this, but it's not gushing down my face. Okay. And actually that color is about a shade deep for me right this second. So I think it's gonna be perfect. It has a little bit of a scent, kind of perfumey. I think I'm gonna love this. Again, if you've tested any of these, let me know. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that. Obviously can't really tell because it's not by itself, but I wanted to go ahead and get that as well because I wanted to try it and have wanted to try it, but I did not want to spend full price. Next up, I re-upped on my Benefit FanFest, but the PR package that I got from Smashbox, there's like a fanning mascara in there and it kind of does the same thing. This one maybe gives a little bit more length and this gives a little bit more boost of volume, but I like both of them equally, so I might stick this into a giveaway because I'm going to use that up because I already opened it. Next up, I love getting these and I always say you get a great value for your buck if it's genuinely products you want to try, but it is the Sephora Favorites Fresh Face Kit. It has a Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. It has the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Drops, which I've been wanting to try. Again, they're hella expensive. There's a Huda Beauty eye pencil in Very Brown. Definitely want to try that as well. We have the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mini Spray. I've been wanting to try that too. We have the Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serums in Pink Glow right here. I have another one from him. I never got any plumping from them, so I don't know if the plumping in regard to that product is simply it makes your lips look plump and juicy. I don't know. Anyways, it has that. It also has a Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush It has a Tarte full size lights, camera, and lashes. And then it has a Too Faced full size lip injection extreme lip plumping lip liner. Woo! So yeah, I was super stoked. Tons of things I've been wanting to try. I love getting stuff like this. And then I also got a couple products from Danessa Myricks because they were also like 50% off. I got the Danessa Myricks Balm Contour. I got shade medium 1. Again, I'm trying to look forward to, you know, spring and summer months. I will swatch this for you. And then when I swatch that, I also got the powder bronzer, the matte bronzing and shaping cream, Danessa Myricks Beauty in the shade Light. All right, that is the packaging. Really nice, very sleek. It honestly doesn't feel very heavy or anything. And I want to see what the texture and stuff looks like. Oh, it almost feels like her blushes. I love, love, love. So I'm excited about this. I feel like, let me see. This is probably gonna be like one of those less is more approach type things. And I know it's gonna be a little deep for me right now, but I just want to see what the texture and stuff feels like. And if it blends out quickly, and it is. Huh. But I feel like anytime I can get like, you know, more luxe, like super high-end type products on sale, I'm going to. The texture of that is lovely. I'm really excited to test that out for y'all. And then the bronzer, again, in shade Light 1. That also feels cheap. That might be why they were on sale. I do not know, y'all. Okay, also, oh, that feels a little thicker, a little bit more moussey feeling. Like, kind of like Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse back in the day. I have a hair stuck to my face. It's getting on my nerves. Again, I'm just going to go in with my, oh, okay, I like that. I'm just going to put some on with my finger. Yeah, that's much thicker and a little bit like more whipped moussey is the best way I can describe that. Whereas the other one felt a little bit more thin and balmy. I turned in a little bit of points and got this Pink Canyon Grapefruit, Pink Salt and Cedar, the Skylar fragrance. And then my little freebies are the Loa Monsieur Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. And then this Moroccan Oil Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner. So that is my little birthday haul to my damn self. And I love to shop like this when I can get things that are like 50% off. And I knew I wanted to try this out and I wanted to go ahead and get my birthday gift. So I went ahead and shopped the sales section. I also wanted to ask you guys too, even though I'm more on a no buy, definitely for sure, I also still keep up with obviously trends and what's new and hot and all that kind of stuff. So even though I'm not buying things necessarily, do you guys still want to see like beauty steals and deals, beauty sales? Maybe I can go like once a week and really just scour the internet, indie brands, high-end, mainstream, whatever, QVC, HSN, you name it, and just kind of figure out who has the biggest sales and deals and stuff like that, and maybe do something where I let y'all know kind of what's on the market in the spectrum of something actually being on sale. Or is that not something y'all would want to see? And or do you guys want to see maybe that version, but then also just kind of what's new in makeup? I personally like to look for a good sale myself. I feel like with the new, of course, it's fun and it's cool to see the latest and the greatest. But, you know, unless you're wealthy, you're not buying all that. And we cannot, you know, keep up as consumers with every single release. So I feel like maybe it would be more beneficial to you guys. Again, let me know. To tell you guys like, hey, Tarte's having 30% off this week. So-and-so's having this, you know, Ulta Beauty has this brand on sale, or, you know, like right now, Danessa Myricks, you know, over at Sephora was greatly discounted. So let me know, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. Thank you to you beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.